Don't give up on your dreams. Somebody needs you. That's what they always tell me. So that's why I keep going. But look, you got to believe it. Somebody truly does need you. So you can't give up on your dream. I don't know what your dream is. I don't know what you've been called to do, but I do know that you've been called. Each one of us have been given a measure. Each one of us has been given something to do. And so if you've been following this page for a while now, I pray that you have been thinking about how it is that you want to show up online. What is it that God is giving you to give to the people? Okay. I love to encourage y'all. I love to show y'all how to show up on social media. I love how to show y'all how to monetize and do different things as far as these platforms. Okay. I love to sing gospel music. I'm a gospel recording artist. I'm a playwright. And so, in all of these lanes, there has been people who needed me, and they told me after I gave them what I needed. My God, after I gave them what I needed, after I presented a stage play, JR, you don't know how that blessed my life. You don't know how that brung healing and how that brung closure. What? Really? That's just something that God has given me to give to y'all. You don't know how that song has changed my life. What? Really? Oh my goodness. Y'all, somebody needs what it is that you have. It's a gift. It's a gift. And so we have to give the gift. You have to give the gift. The gift wasn't given to you for you to keep it. You got to give it away. You got to give it away. So y'all know I'm here just always encouraging y'all. Your gift will make room for you. Your gift will make finance for you. Your gift will make provision for you. Your gift will make a way for you. Your gift will work out for you. Your gift will open doors for you so many times, so many times, so many times. But you cannot sit on your gift. If it's fear, if it's fear of your family, oh my God, there she go. There he goes showing up on social media. And is my gift is making way for me. Let me tell you how I know, because that means people are seeing you now. When people start to talking, that means they can see you. And that's what you want. That's what you want. But you're not going to just be getting up here. Hey, family. No, you're getting up here with the exact message. We ain't up here to play. We're not up here to play. If you're getting up here to talk about cake making, guess what? That's what you're going to talk about. People are going to know you as the cake lady, as the cake man, as the realtor, as the vocal coach. You're going to talk about it. You're not going to be ashamed to let social media know what you already do. We're in a social media world, y'all. We're that's where we're at. And there is tons of money that can be made. There's tons of connections that can be made. There are tons of doors that can be opened. This is called the World Wide Web, not the Georgia web, not the North Carolina web, not the Tennessee web. Come on, put your state in the comments. Not that web. This is the World Wide Web. People from all over. They'll be called you out so you can come train over there in China. Called you out so you can come over there and sing over there in Africa. Are y'all receiving that? I pray you picking that up. This is the World Wide Web. So somebody needs what you have. Be obedient. Go forth. Go forth. Say ouch and keep it moving. It's just a little check-in. Let me know. You ready to start moving? I'm Mr. Eagle Vision. I love y'all. There's nothing you can do about it. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things. Stay connected. The more that you engage, the more that I show up, the more that the algorithm tell them that they're Christian and kingdom influencers on here that need what we got. All right? They that wait upon the Lord. I know you've been waiting on something, but look, it's time for you to start showing up, okay? Let's do it. I'm JR. I'm out, y'all.